Hello, this is Daryl for Tuesday, the 27th of September 2016. This is the DE Market Summary. So, we want to thank everyone out there for subscribing to our channel and viewing our videos and all the feedback we've been getting on social media. So, today, our markets closed positive. What was our catalyst? Well, the catalyst was last night's debate. So, last night we had the first presidential debates in the United States with Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump. And the inclinations we had from the markets early on was that Hillary Clinton won. And we saw that by the early indications where the futures were higher and the peso, which is the Mexican currency, was also rallying. So the futures were near session highs in the debate as the debate ended, with the Dow futures briefly adding more than 100 points before the markets opened this morning. So it was a very nice welcome sight for investors to see the markets just rallying, and we had a lot of investors participated in the rally today. So it was an interesting turn of events, being that the markets are so correlated to the political events that's happening now in the United States. And from now straight till November, when there's going to be the election, we are seeing that the markets will really be reacting to every turn of event that is going to happen. So based on every debate, and based also too on the polls, when the polls show who's in the lead, the markets would be affected. So it would be an interesting turn of events. So it's a change from what we had earlier in the year, when we had the Fed really giving the direction for the markets based on what the Fed is saying. It controlled the markets. We had that last year as well. We also had, this year too, we had what is happening in the oil markets, giving the markets direction. So based on if oil is down, the markets go down. Oil is up, markets is up. So based on if there's a announcement of an OPEC meeting, we have the markets go up. So so this is going to be a change, having now the markets being governed by the political environment. So that's just the case of the capital markets. So positive news we had too was also Big Mexican, which is the largest producer of tequila in Mexico. The company is called Jose Cervico, has announced that it would be creating an IPO. Right, so it's a long-awaited IPO, but this would probably be in Mexico. But at any rate, investors here in North America is very interested in it too, because we all know that brand, that tequila brand, and a number of investors would be interested in it. So they're expecting to raise $1 billion with that IPO, and analysts and investors are looking on and thinking that it's possible that that could happen, because it's such a well-liked brand, and a number of investors would be interested in investing in that company. So what did we have today with the market? So the Dow Jones was up 138.47 points to 18,228.30. So as we said, it was up 100 points, 130 points. S&P 500 up 13.83 points to 2159.93. Nasdaq up 48.22 points to 5307.71. So all in all, a positive day. Very good day for investors. We had high volumes too. Investors getting in from early in the morning. Some of them getting in from last night too when they saw what was happening with the debate. A number of investors knew how to invest based on how the debate was shaping up. And so they get into a very nice rally during the day. So, could we see this rally continue? Right, today we had 8 out of 11 sectors up and the positive. Could we see that continue? Well, we can't guarantee that it would be so so positive, so huge. The rally would be so great with a 100-point rise in the Dow, right? We can't guarantee that, but we really believe that there's no headwinds now to stop the nice rally that we've been having. We think that this rally could continue. Okay, and what we expect too is as we go further to the elections. For example, we had a talk of a rate hike in November, and now after the debates and as we are seeing now the political climate, the rate hike in November is almost completely off the table with all investors. It's a very slim chance there'd be a rate hike. The rate hike would definitely come in December. There's about a 50% chance of it coming in December after the elections. So we look forward to that. We look forward to the markets continuing to rise and fall based on the political climate and also too on what is happening with oil. Because now there's talk that Iran is not interested in curtailing or freezing its production of oil. So with that in mind, oil prices might continue to go down, right? Or at least not rise as most people expected. Okay, so stay with us. We'll be breaking down the markets for you as it happens. Okay, this is Daryl. This has been the DE Market Summary. You have a good day.